Hello there.
Welcome to another quick Monday tip with a MacMan. It's February and we're spending the month looking at tips for Apple Safari. And last week we talked about tabs and opening tabs, switching between tabs, closing tabs, and we're going to kind of follow along with that with a great little hidden feature that's in Safari that can help get us right back into our projects when we need to walk away. In my example here, I've got a bunch of different tabs open. And just like we were talking about last time, I'm going to use Control Tab to kind of switch between my tabs here. And, we got Google, we got Yahoo, we got Twitter, we've got the Weather channel up. Something happens. We need to get away from our computer, we need to log out, shut down, whatever it may be. And we need to close out of Safari. But we don't want to lose the places that we're at in these tabs for whatever project we may be working on. We know we can hit Command Q, and that's just going to close Safari. And all that's going to go away. But if we click Safari here, we'll see this Quit Safari option. If we just hit the Option key on our keyboard, we'll see a new option to quit Safari here. Quit and keep all windows. Now, if we click that, the next time we come back to Safari and launch it, it's going to restore all the tabs we had open from our last session, allowing us to get right back into whatever project we were working on. Hopefully this tip can help you out, and this has been a quick Monday tip with a MacMan.